Hey guys, Joseph here for BlackboxMyCar. Here's everything you need to know about the new VIOFO A119 M Pro. Those of you who know VIOFO knows that VIOFO has always kept its A119 series being entry level and super affordable for customers, and they've done that once again with the M Pro. VIOFO has always kept the upgrades quite consistent and incremental, and they've done that again, and that's what we're going to be covering today in this video. Well, it's finally here. VIOFO has finally joined the Pro naming trends that we're seeing all across the board. You know, the PS5 Pro, the iPhone 17 Pro, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro. Well, if you're a pro, hit that like button down below. So the A119 series, it's definitely seen a whole bunch of improvements throughout this entire history. In fact, the A119 M Pro is actually the 8th generation in the A119 series lineup. Starting off with the A119, the A119 Pro, A119S, A119 V3, and then the Mini 2, which was the last generation, and now the A119 M Pro. So to dive into everything that's new with the M Pro, let's start off by doing a recap of the A119 Mini 2. In a nutshell, the A119 Mini 2 was recognized as the best bang for your buck dashcam in 2024 by Dashcam Talk. And in case you didn't know, Dashcam Talk is a dedicated forum to dashcams. So in terms of the core features on the Mini 2, it had Sony Starvis IMX678 5 megapixel sensor, 2K front at 60 frames per second, 1.5-inch LCD screen, up to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS and integrated Bluetooth, voice control support, parking modes with buffered and motion detection, and lastly, storage support for microSD cards up to 512 gigs. So let's talk about what's new on the M Pro. You know, visually, they've kept it roughly the same. Like you can see right here, right? It looks exactly the same as the Mini 2 housing-wise. I think the biggest jump visually that VIOFO's done is probably from the VIOFO A119 V3 over to the Mini 1. But then other than that, from the Mini to Mini 2 to the M Pro now, they've kept it roughly the same. The starting price of it is $159.99. And when you compare that with the Mini 2, they started off at $149.99. For everything that's happening in the economy right now, VIOFO still remembers that this is an entry-level model and has kept it very affordable. In terms of the biggest upgrades, it's going to be the fact that the M Pro now shoots in 4K 30 frames per second front. That's a big jump, going from IMX675 to IMX678 sensor. And it's also got a larger sensor that's 1 and 1.8 inch. So it allows for more light, meaning when you're in darker situations, you're allowing more light in, so you're gonna get clearer nighttime footage, alongside with more details. We're now working with the Wi-Fi 6, which is a new feature that they introduced with the A329S series, which is their top tier model, for much faster transfers compared to the Mini 2, which only had up to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. The GPS on the Pro has also been boosted to quad satellite support, and it now also includes a CPL filter. On the Mini 2, it was optional. Both still have the same great parking modes, Bluetooth, voice support, 1.5-inch screen, super night vision support, and both supports microSD cards up to 512 gigs. Again, other than the resolution, the larger sensors, and the Wi-Fi 6 support, it's not a huge leap improvement for the M Pro per se, but it's just steady, consistent upgrades that VIOFO has done with this entry-level series. So whether you're looking for your first dashcam or you're looking for an upgrade to your existing dashcam setup, you can't go wrong with the VIOFO A119 M Pro. That's it, guys. That's everything you need to know about the A119 M Pro. If you want to support us, smash that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackboxMyCar. And just as an experiment, let us know what dashcam you're currently rocking in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.